We got up about 6:45 this morning to purchase our Fast Pass, or our Genie Plus, and make our first reservation and get ready for going to Magic Kingdom today. We went ahead and did a mobile order for our coffee at Gasparilla Grill, so we're going in there right now to grab our coffee, and then we're gonna head over to Magic Kingdom. It is so convenient to be able to walk over to Magic Kingdom on this walkway. So we're staying at the Grand Floridian, and there's literally just this really peaceful walkway that goes straight over to Magic Kingdom. It's a nice little morning walk. It's not far at all. We've got our coffee from Gasparilla Grill. I got an Americano this morning. We're probably gonna be there in just a few minutes. Gotta get through security, which I think is pretty simple, and then we'll be in the park. It could be a minute. So it's not a lot of people, but it's 8:36, so it's already... Space Mountain is down. They're having technical difficulties, so they're not opening it. So we're going over to Buzz Lightyear, which has a 15-minute wait. So at least we can ride one ride before like everybody else can get into the park. We got off Buzz. We're in Fantasyland, so the park doesn't open for non-resort guests until 9. It's a Small World has a 5-minute wait, and we wanted to make sure we did that. So we're just gonna go ahead and hit that because it's like a walk-on. We have our first lightning lane scheduled for 11:05 a.m. Right when we scan in at Peter Pan, we'll be able to make our second lightning lane reservation for the day. Oh my gosh. That was the opening, I guess. I love the park in the morning when it's not crowded. It's so nice when it's not shoulder to shoulder people. Jungle Cruise. Alright, change of plans. We decided because Adventureland was just opening up at 9 that it would be smarter for us to get on Jungle Cruise, which is one of the hardest lightning lanes to get. And it's best to wait in line in the morning when it's not hot because you're outside, and today is a really hot day. It's gonna be 81. So we decided to head over here to Jungle Cruise so we can make sure that we ride it. Anyway, change of plans. Whew. The line literally just jumped to 85 minutes.
I thought they would have just averaged it.
Good grief. It's 9:35. We took a quick potty break after Thunder, and we're heading into Splash Mountain, which has a 35-minute wait. Not bad, and this is the first day it's been open in a while. Yay! This is a good ride. One of my faves. I don't think they have the waterfall on the right side, so I don't think we're gonna get as wet as I thought we were gonna get. 10 o'clock, we got off Splash Mountain. It was so fun. I love that ride. We got very wet. The people in the front got the most wet. The cast members of the Splash Mountain ride, they were like, really, it's so random. Like, you could be in the front and not get wet. You could be in the back or the front and get totally wet. So we're getting into Haunted Mansion, which is 30 minutes. And then I ordered a fruit waffle at Sleepy Hollow that I've wanted to have for a long time, and they only serve it until 11 for breakfast. So I'm gonna go over there. I did mobile order, and I'm gonna go over there and get that after this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order that's ready.
Yeah. I've been wanting one of these for a while. We had our fruit waffle at Sleepy Hollow, and now we're waiting for our first lightning lane at Peter Pan, which starts at 11, and then we can go ahead and make our second selection either at 11 or as soon as we scan our bands. We just got off Ariel. We are heading to the front of the park, like the very front of the park, like on Main Street near Tinkerbell, to meet our photographer for our photo session. We just got off our second lightning lane for Pirates of the Caribbean. We're gonna go eat some tacos, and then I think we have a fast pass for Small World from 1:30 to 2:30. We're taking a quick break in Pico's Bill Tall Tale Inn to get some tacos. 3 of us are splitting 2 meals of 3 tacos, so we'll each get 2 tacos. It's really good food here, and Mexican's always great. I kind of wanted like a really good coffee though, because my coffee from Gasparilla Grill today was not strong at all. It was an Americano, and it was super watery, like not the best coffee, not the best Americano that I've had. So I thought about getting like, you know, going to Starbucks or even the Cheshire Cafe and getting like a cold brew or something. I like strong coffee. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then I want to get profiles done of my kids. They make these really beautiful profile photos here. There's several places you can do it in Magic Kingdom. So I'm gonna try to do that today. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. Sitting under the dartboard. Paper straws, not my fave. Oh, but it's okay, I'm excited to have some LeFou's brew. I'm having this in honor of my husband because this is his favorite drink here. And it doesn't disappoint. It's sweet, but it's refreshing, and it's hot outside, so this is perfect. I'm sitting here outside of the Tangled bathrooms. Some of our party decided to go ahead and go on It's a Small World because they were waiting. Some of them got stuck at the Dole Whip thing. Like apparently the mobile order and the regular line were all together, and it was kind of chaotic and crazy. So they're still in the line even though they did mobile order, which is fine. I mean, not fine, but like it's fine for me. I don't mind waiting. I couldn't get on It's a Small World with my LeFou's brew, and I honestly just wanted to sit down and enjoy it. So I'm hanging out in the Tangled bathroom area, which I love because I love the medieval music and stuff, and it's really pretty. The sun is shining so bright. I took my t-shirt off. I've got a little tank top underneath it. It's like 80 degrees or something like that. But I don't mind. I'm just sitting in the sun enjoying my nice cold LeFou's brew in honor of my husband, who couldn't be here with me because it's a girls trip. So anyway, and I love the view here. Going backwards on the people mover.
Be sure to enjoy today while visiting Disneyland.
I'm sitting outside of the Sleepy Hollow restaurant and right by the caricature section. I had my husband send me some profile pictures of my girls, and I'm gonna have 2 profile pictures made to take home and have to put in our house. There's a couple of people before me, so I've just been kind of hanging out. I called Bo and talked on the phone. We got done with People Mover around 3 p.m. and then I came over here and I've just been hanging out and waiting my turn. update of the girls. We did a couple of photo pass photos. We got a 440 Dumbo fast pass. No way.
Ours is defective. Ours doesn't work. We can't move.
We got a defective Dumbo. It won't go up.
Oh, now it's working. No, it's not.
Oh, so funny. Oh!
It's only when we get right there.
Like this little cup over here.
How are you doing? I'm good, actually.
Got a lightning lane for Tomorrowland Terrace, and I don't think or Tomorrowland Speedway, and I don't think I've ever ridden it before, so.
It's gonna blow your mind.
It's like, there's a first for everything, and here's my first time. I'm excited to drive this car, guys.
Only that much, okay?
We just got pixie dusted in Sir Mickey's, and we're gonna use our last fast pass. We're gonna get on the magic carpets of Aladdin.
Then we're gonna
book it back to our hotel to get ready for our dinner tonight. It's been a fun day though. We're on magic carpets of Aladdin. Watch out for the spitting camel, it really does spit. It was so fun! It was fun! We got spit on! Hanging out in the Swiss family tree house. Woo woo! So beautiful. We're on the monorail, headed to California Grill to watch the fireworks and have dinner. And I'm really excited because I finally got a pin to put on my new tote bag that I got a while back. I got a 50th anniversary Mickey and Minnie pin. It's my first pin. I've never really bought a pin before. Really excited about it. It's so cute. The electric water parade. Oh, look at that.
What is this?
It's the castle with the 50th.
That's what I thought. I was like, there is a 50th one,
but it's like the 50s backwards because it's for the resorts basically. This is the 50th anniversary dessert. It's a chocolate mousse, a cheesecake something or other, carrot cake, lemon something dessert. This is
Its orange color was tricky too.
What did they say this is?
It's a honey something. Well, it has a bee on it.
Honey.
We know.
Honey. Oh, it is a bee. It's a honey something thing. It's a bee. And then a raspberry curd with chocolate in the middle. We're walking back to the Grand Floridian and we found an aardvark. Or armadillo, I mean. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. What time is it? 11:30? 11? 11:15? I don't know. We're on our way back from the California Grill. We missed the last monorail, so we're walking from the Contemporary all the way to the Grand Floridian. We had to go through security, walk across Magic Kingdom, and then cross over to the walkway so that we could walk all the way to Grand Floridian. I took my pantyhose and my shoes off before I left the Contemporary so that I could walk this far. We saw an armadillo. I swear I hear crocodiles. That's hilarious. And I'm in my bare feet.